Hey, I'm Sean Berardi, CFI Tire Service here in Des Moines, Iowa. I work in sales here at our Dixon location. I know when I'm selling an Alliance tire, I have a backing from Alliance, and I have a backing from our sales rep at Alliance, that they're going to come through for us if we have any issues at all. CFI Tire Service is very niche, I would say. We can cover a broad area for you. We can replace any tire on the farm. We can replace any tire in your fleet. But when it comes to a custom solution, when it comes to service, when it comes to downtime, I think that's where CFI Tire shines. We're going to do whatever we can to get you up and running. We understand that downtime is worst case scenario. We never see tires blow out in a good time, and the CFI Tire Service, with our vast inventory from fleet to construction to farm, we can handle any need that you might have. Whether it's not in stock, we can get it to you. That's something that makes us unique, and something that we pride in is taking care of our customers in a timely manner. We have the confidence in Alliance. The AgriStar 2 and the Alliance Agriflex have one of the best warranties that I've seen on the market. They both have a 10-year warranty. The AgriStar 2 has a 5-year warranty on stubble, but the 6-month free replacement is one of the best that I've seen. So 6-month free replacement on anything field hazard related. You run over a deer antler, a post, they'll replace that tire within 6 months. We've been extremely happy with the warranty that Alliance provides on these tires. When I hear the slogan from Alliance, always by your side, I think it's something that they hold true to, I would fully believe. When we have a sales rep that comes and sees us, we have personnel from Alliance reaching out to us. I've even had engineers from overseas come in and talk to us about a specific problem, a specific solution we might be working on. When they say always by your side, that's a true statement. That's not just words on the wall. They hold to it, and we're extremely happy to be working with them.